everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I filmed, I think 3 weeks. I just needed a little bit of time to myself, a little bit of self-care time. But I am back today, and I feel like after you haven't filmed for a while, it takes you a little bit to get back into it. So hopefully I can get through this video smoothly and not stutter or not say like 10 million times. So fingers crossed. Today I'm going to show you something new that I got from Louis Vuitton. My husband actually picked this up for me. It was our anniversary, beginning of July. So he got me something. You can tell by the title of this video probably what it is, but I always feel guilty when my husband buys me something luxury, just because I feel like my sort of, I don't want to call it an addiction because it's not an addiction, but my preference for luxury items shouldn't fall on him. So I just feel a little bit bad when he spends his money and gets me something a little bit more expensive. Anyway, so he got me a belt. This belt that I'm going to show you actually isn't the belt that he got me. The belt that he got me was different. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. But that one was reversible. So it was black leather on one side and then canvas on the other. And then it had like a circular LV. And it was honestly significantly more expensive too. So I have my receipt here because we did exchange it. Where is it? Okay, so the original belt that he got me was $595. And with taxes, it came like close to like 670 or something. It was insane. So I just can't fathom spending that much money on a belt, or having him spend that much money on a belt. So the one that I picked up actually came to $440. So I think there should be something in here that tells you the exact style, but I believe it is called the 25 millimeter belt. That's all that it says. Oh yeah, so this right here that comes with it. So that is sort of the SKU. If you are wondering the code for it and you want to pick it up, that is it right there. Put this receipt away. So I was happy that he got to save some money and I got the belt that I really wanted. What is this? Oh, that's the same thing. Okay, so this is the little dust bag that it comes in. I didn't show you the box either, but I don't think you need to see the box. Like, that's irrelevant. It just comes with that little textile card. So this belt isn't 100% leather. It is going to be the canvas, and then the inside is the leather. And this is it right here. So like I said, it's the mini 25 millimeter, I believe. And so when I say 25 millimeter, it essentially means that this is 25 millimeters in width. And then this is it. So it's all canvas on one side, and then you can see on the other side, it's that untreated leather. And that is it. And then it also has this tied to it, which it just gives the name of the product again, and you could also scan that if you wanted to. So that is it. This is the belt, and I really loved it because I felt like it was simple, and I do like the classic sort of LV in the gold right there as opposed to the circular one that he got me. And the fact that it's also cheaper, like I said, just makes it a little bit better. So I am going to compare this belt with the Gucci belt that I have actually, and I made a whole video on that belt and how to choose your size. So if you want to know how to actually find your size in the Gucci belt or as well as the Louis Vuitton belt, then go check out that video. I will link it somewhere on the screen, and I'll also link it down below. Because I know that the sizing can be a little bit daunting, because when you go on, you see like 80 centimeters, 75 centimeters, 90 centimeters, and you think, well, how do I find my size if you actually can't physically go into the store? So that video will help you a lot because it's actually sort of the same sizing method as the Gucci one for the Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to compare these two with you right now. So let's get into that portion. Here's mine right now. Mine's a little bit beat. I will show you this actually up close, if you can see it. But I've had this belt for a year. Focus. So I've had this belt for a year, and you can see the markings right there. where it's a little bit discolored. Sorry, excuse my nails, they're disgusting. So that's really the only sign of wear. I mean, the leather is totally fine. No issues with that, but this part here does get a little bit beat up. Just note that. And I'm sure the same thing's gonna happen with this once I actually take off the protective plastic, that it's gonna get scratched up. But I mean, you buy a belt to wear it, right? So it's inevitable that it's not gonna incur a little bit of damages here and there, or some wear here and there. Okay, so let's compare these two belts now. All right, so I have the belt side by side, you can see. And the first difference you're gonna notice is that this belt buckle is upside down because the Gucci belt actually threads through the pants the other way, and it threads through it the traditional way. So all the belts that I've had, you thread through sort of through the left side of your pants or shorts or whatever you're wearing, and then it ends up on the right side. The Louis Vuitton is different, so you thread it through the right side first. And I'll show you this in a video as well. So that was a little bit confusing at the actual store when I was trying it on. But you'll see that side by side, they line up pretty much the same. I did get a size 80 in both of the belts, or the equivalent to a 32 inch. So you can see that they line up essentially the same. The difference you're gonna notice is gonna be in the width. So this one is about 0.8 inches, whereas this belt here is essentially an inch in width. So that's gonna be the next difference. The Gucci obviously is full leather, whereas this is leather on the inside. And then it's untreated leather as well. So if you get any sort of water or oil from your hands on there, it will cause it to patina and change color a little bit. So this is coated canvas, that is leather. The gold is a little bit different as well too. You can see more of the wear on my Gucci belt up close. So the two pieces there, the metal is a little bit rubbed off, as well as the top there, excuse my nails, and then there. So it's a little bit different in color. The camera's not picking it up that well. This one is a little bit of a different color of gold, I would say. And then this, you will also notice a next difference, because when you loop the belt around, the excess part of the belt loops through there, whereas the Louis Vuitton does not have it anywhere, and that's because when you loop the belt, they loop a little bit differently, which I will show you, but mainly it's the width. And the size of the Gucci, it comes in way more sizes, so it comes in from starting at a 65, and it goes up to a 120, whereas the Louis Vuitton starts at a 75 and only goes up to a 90, I believe. So less sort of sizing options with the Louis Vuitton, way more with the Gucci. Gucci is going to be 420 Canadian. This one is going to be 440 Canadian. So the Gucci belt threads through the belt loops fairly traditionally. You start on the left and then you go through and end on the right side. And then any of the excess belt that you have is held down with that little extra piece of leather, and it shows on the front. For reference, I'm a size 25. And then the Louis Vuitton is sort of backwards, so you start threading the belt through the right side. You can see I was kind of struggling there. And then it ends on the left side. So it might take a little bit of time getting used to. You'll see the excess amount of the belt is hidden in the back, so that's kind of nice. It gives a nice clean look. So if you are trying to decide between the two belts, because they are really similar in price points, there are pros and cons for each, and I think I went over all of them with you, but just to recap, because that's the teacher in me, the Gucci belt, way more sizes in this. Like I said, it starts at about a 65 and goes to a 120, whereas the Louis Vuitton starts at a 75 and goes to a 95, so keep that into account, or sorry, take that into account. The Gucci, I feel like, will wear a little bit better, the actual belt itself, just because it's leather. It just ages really nicely, whereas the belt buckle here though, I find that because it's so heavy, and you can sort of see how it just sort of flops over, it does get damaged. And I did show you the wear and tear. So that, I would say, is the con, whereas the Louis Vuitton, because this actual buckle is attached to the belt, it doesn't really flop as much. It will get some wear and tear if it rubs against something, whether it's like a table or whatever. So there will be wear and tear in that sense, but I don't think as much as the Gucci one, just because it's not as heavy and banging around as much. My only concern with the wear is this part here where the belt goes in. You can kind of see, I'm afraid that there's going to be some rubbing on the side where the canvas, sorry, where the glazing is, but also here, just because I feel like this part on the side might begin to affect sort of the canvas and the glaze over top. So we'll see how that goes. I really hope it doesn't compromise it, but I feel like it might after constantly kind of putting it on and off. So belt buckle will probably wear better on the LV, whereas the actual belt itself will wear better on the Gucci. What else can I say about them? I feel like the Gucci is probably a little bit more versatile, especially in the black color. I feel like you can dress it up or you can dress it down, whereas I feel with the LV, this is more of a casual belt. I don't think I'd ever wear this belt with black jeans. I think I'd only wear it with, you know, different colors of blue jeans. I don't own any colored denim. I think this would go well with white jeans as well, but I also didn't mention anything here. The date code is there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but there is a date code there, which is JJ 2139. So that means it was made on the 23rd week of 2019. I don't know if the JJ means it's made in France. Let me look that up right now. Okay, so I just Googled it, and the JJ means that the belt was made in Spain. So this is my first piece actually made in Spain. Most of them I think are all made in France. So we'll see how this holds up. Fingers crossed that it wears nicely. If you have any questions, please leave them down below about either of the belts. Please let me know which one you actually prefer. Do you like the Gucci belt or do you like the LV belt? Because I mean, I'm really happy with both of them. I know I'm gonna get wear out of both of these belts. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.